Hello, I am Andrew Maltin. I am the CEO of MEDL Mobile Holdings, symbol MEDL. Just to give you kind of a quick backgrounder, MEDL Mobile was founded in 2009. We have been developing mobile apps for the entertainment industry, for celebrities, for brands for the past 4 years. We had started early on in mobile, and now we have grown. We have about 300 apps, and we are definitely one of the premier developers out in the marketplace. Over the last 4 years, we've developed some very interesting technologies that we've talked about with our investors in the past. One of those has been our mobile brain, which allows discovery and monetization of apps in the App Store. So if you understand the way that apps work, people develop apps and put them out on the Apple and Android platforms. And what MEDL's brain does is it learns how people are using apps and then puts them into these lifestyle categories that can be targeted later. So for instance, if somebody uses one of our apps in Florida one day and 4 days later they happen to be in New York using one of our apps, and a week later they happen to be in Los Angeles using an app, what we'll do is we'll look at that type of information and we'll categorize these people into a mobile lifestyle of a frequent traveler. And in that case, we'll then start pushing them frequent traveler type apps. So we'll recommend to them itinerary management or expense reporting apps that will be perfect for that type of user. So with this highly targeted marketing of apps to these users and the ability for them to discover new apps without having to go searching for these has allowed MEDL to generate quite a few downloads of its apps. Currently, we have about 18 million downloads. We have a very large active user base that we've grown significantly over the last couple of years. So currently, MEDL is recent. So MEDL has recently launched its new platform called Hangwith. We were in a private beta for the last few months, and we've been in development on this project for a significant amount of time, almost 2 years now. We've recently launched Hangwith, and it is the premier social network for people around the globe to communicate and share their experiences via live streaming broadcasts. So what that means is a user will start a broadcast. It'll be pushed to all of their followers. Those tend to be their Facebook followers, their Twitter followers, and their Hangwith followers. And it lets them know that they're on live. So once they get this push notification, people can then share in the experience that that person is having via their mobile device, and they can communicate, interact, and so forth with that user. So we're really excited about it. We've signed up a number of celebrities. We're inviting people to go check it out. We haven't released any KPIs on Hangwith itself, and those will be coming shortly, but we're excited about the launch, and it has been a very exciting platform for us. It's very easy to understand the monetization strategy for it. Before every broadcast, you watch a pre-roll video, which we collect revenue on those pre-roll videos, and at the end of every broadcast, the user sees another ad, which they're able to click out to continue their experience through a sponsor of some type. So the monetization is on both the front and the back end of the broadcast. A very exciting product for us. We're seeing a number of users that are using it for doing behind the scenes type broadcasts that are celebrities or musicians that are using it to connect with their fans. And so we're real excited to see how that goes. So in terms of our KPIs, we've recently announced some very exciting KPIs from 2011 to 2012. The total installations for our MEDL Brain has increased 564%. The total user sessions in our library has went up 661%. Our daily active users up 708% for the year. And our monthly active users, which is a very important number to us, is up 861% for the year. So as you can see, we've dramatically increased our user base in many ways. And some of those ways we've discussed in the past, and I'll give you some examples now. We've done some projects with some celebrities, some brands. One notably this year, we did the app for the movie Ted, which is a movie that came out recently, late last summer. That app has generated over 3 million downloads and hundreds of millions of impressions through the Facebook social graph. We've seen an amazing number of users that have come from that have now downloaded some of our other apps, and now we're moving a lot of those people into our new platform, which is our Hangwith platform. We're seeing a tremendous increase in revenue. We've had a 49% increase in revenue in the last year, which is great for a company our size, and we are growing dramatically. And as I've said before, our stock is extremely undervalued. We've used some interesting metrics in the past. Lifetime value of those users, even at 18 million users, at a reasonable lifetime value of $25 per user, tells you a significant number. And why Metal's stock has been undervalued is questionable to me, but it's certainly something for everybody to recognize.